So in this lesson, we're going to talk about how to evaluate and compare expressions. So this chart should look similar to what we did in a previous lesson about when we plugged in a number for y and evaluated to figure out what it was worth. So this time we're just going to be comparing two values. So let's start with this column where they tell us that y equals 3. So if I substitute y in right here, that's going to give me 3 plus 10, which is 13. I'm going to write a 13 right here. So then it's just asking you to compare that to 15. So which is bigger, 13 or 15? So 15 is bigger, so we're going to open the alligator's mouth to the 15. So here, 4y plus 6 and 6y. So we're going to plug in 3, and we're going to see which one of these expressions is bigger when y equals 3. So over here, if we let y equal 3, that would mean 4 times 3, which is 12, and 12 plus 6 is 18. And then over here, 6 times 3 is 18. So in this case, when y equals 3, they are equal to each other. All right, so one more. 2 times 3, 6. Remember, this means divided by. So 12 divided by 3 is 4. So which is bigger, 6 or 4? So we're going to put the alligator's mouth open to the 6. Okay, so over here we have the same thing, except this time y is equal to 6. So let's see if that changes our greater than, less than, or equal to. So this time I'm going to substitute in 6 for y. So that would be 6 plus 10, just 16. So which is bigger, 16 or 15? Yep, 16 is bigger. So I'm going to draw our greater than sign like that. So notice when y equals 6, it gives us a different result than when y equals 3. Okay, so this one, we're going to let y equal 6. So 4 times 6 is 24. And 24 plus 6 is 30. And over here, 6 times 6 is 36. So when y equals 6, this side is going to be bigger because 36 is bigger than 30. And finally, we have 2y. We're going to let that equal 6. 2 times 6 is 12. And over here, we're going to say 12 divided by 6 is 2. And 12 is bigger than 2. So we're going to draw our greater than sign that way. So this is in your guided notes. If you haven't done this with me as we're going, go back and do it on your guided notes and then come back and check your answers and see if you got the same thing.